Hi, this is Jacqueline with Daily Bookkeeping Services, and I am going to show you how to come up with your hourly rate based on a monthly or yearly goal. So open up Excel and start a few headings for your columns: monthly expenses, monthly charge, days I want to work, billable hours per day. So you want to list all your monthly expenses. I'm sure you'll have more than this, but list them all there, and list the charges for each of those items per month. You're also going to want to add in a bit of a savings, whether it be $50, $100, whatever. You should try to put some savings built into your hourly rate. So now we're just going to subtotal that. Okay, now I also highly suggest that you add a cushion in there. And here I'm going to do it in a percentage. You can do it as a dollar amount. You don't have to do 10%. You could do 2, you could do 5, whatever. But I'm just going to do a percentage of the subtotal. So I'm going to take that and times it by 10%. And that is what I would need then to save for my cushion. That's for like emergencies that come up, unexpected bills, that type of thing. So now we're going to subtotal these two items and come up with a new subtotal. Now from here, we need to also put away money for those taxes. So if we're making that amount of money to pay these expenses, which I'm hoping you are, then you'll want to put away the tax amount for that item, for that amount of money until you need to pay the taxes. So what we'll do here is take this subtotal amount and times it by 30%. And that will give us an amount to put away for our taxes. Now we should be able to add these two items together to get our monthly goal. So this is our goal that we want to bring in per month. Now we move up here to the days that I want to work. I only want to work Monday through Friday. Weekends to myself. It could be a different circumstance for you. You could be working 7 days a week. Who knows? Hopefully not. Now your billable hours per day are going to be the amount that you can actually bill your client for. You want to kind of try to figure out an average. Say you work a 10-hour day. You're not going to be able to bill for all those hours because you're going to have admin stuff. Maybe if you're driving from client to client or customer to customer, you're not going to be able to bill for that drive time. So these are actually billable hours that you can make money from. So I'm going to say I work 10 hours, but I only have 6 billable hours per day. And I'm going to total these up, and that gives me 30 billable hours per week. And if I take this number and I times it by 4, or you can, you can also do the times it by 52 weeks divided by 12 to come up with a similar number that would be probably more exact. But I think this actually does it at a higher rate if we figure it out correctly. So this is our total billable hours per month. Now we need to figure out, obviously, our hourly rate. So what we're going to do is take our monthly goal and divide it by our 120 billable hours per month. And that comes up with the hourly rate that we need to charge. And you, of course, would probably round that up to $55. Now to find out how much your yearly income is, you're obviously just going to take your monthly goal and you're going to times that by 12. So you see, at $55 an hour, working 6 billable hours per day, you're going to make a yearly income of $78,507, which you may not be too happy with. Maybe you say, okay, I want to at least make 100,000. So what we're going to do is put our goal in here of 100,000, okay, and then we will need to come up with our monthly goal to get to 100K. And then we'll also need to figure out our hourly rate to get to 100K. Okay, so what we'll need to do is find out the difference between our yearly income goal and our yearly income. So you're just going to take your 100,000 and you're going to minus your yearly income, which is a total difference, yearly difference of that amount. Now we need to get it down to the monthly amount, so we are just going to take that amount and divide it by 12. So we need to increase our goal basically by that amount to equal 100,000. So for our monthly goal, all we're going to do is take our current goal and add the monthly difference in there to get to our new monthly goal if we want to reach 100,000. So now to figure out our hourly rate, we're going to take our new goal and we're going to divide it by the same 120 hours. I'm assuming you still want to only work 120 hours per week. And now you get an hourly rate of $69.44, or you can round it up to $70 an hour. So there you have it, how to figure out your hourly rate based on a monthly goal or a yearly goal. So I hope this helped you out, and I thank you very much for watching.